세차이차. 우리가 거의 이사 오고 나서 얼마 만이죠? 로즈빌로 가게 됐어요. 기분이 어때요?
좋아요. 엄마는 언제 나올까? 갖고 탈 수 있어?
네.
근데 먹지 못하지. 지금 시속 몇 킬로 정도 될까?
한 500, 600. 꼭대기 올라가면은 조금.
왔다.
도착을 했습니다.
와, 이게 얼마만이냐. 프리더. 맞네, 여기서 꺾이는 거.
You are traveling to Terminal B. Please collect your belongings.
아빠, 우리 미래에 온 것 같아. 봐봐, 생각해봐. 비행기로 하늘도 뜨지, 어? 10초 만에 300m로 고속열차로 300m를 10초 만에 훅 가지요. 이게 말이 돼? 이게 미래지 뭐야. 옛날 같았으면 이런 건 상상도 못했을 거야.
So I am when they are announced, and when they turn around, you're gonna get up from your seat, and then you're gonna start throwing the flower petals as they walk out. Okay? So how about you sit down? Perfect. Yeah. There we go. 잘하네.
I am Esther, the maid of honor. Thank you all for being here today to share Steve Hyungbu and Sunny's special day. And you know, I can stand here all night talking about Oni. She's been really special to me. She helped me grow up and become the person I am. But I see the love between you guys. Congratulations. And I'm gonna keep it short. And I wish you guys all the love and happiness and congratulations. Love you guys.
So if anybody else would like to say something nice to the bride and groom, now is your opportunity to do that.
너무너무 사랑합니다, 이 여성한테는 정말.
Amazing woman in front of me who's never asked anything of anyone. You've been the person who has given to every single person I've ever met in my life, and no one has ever treated you right. I'm so thankful that you found us here. You finally have us. So whether you want it or not, you got a redheaded stepchild for a daughter. Welcome to your new family.
Last chance, anyone else?
Don't make it a depressing thing, guys.
Yeah.
어디가
You are
어딘가요?
traveling to
전체예요.
all these gates.
이제 결혼식 다 보고 집으로 갑니다. 네.
조금만 조용히 해.